Good morning, students. Today, Tuesday, I'm your English teacher, Vittal Matriculation School. How are you all? Are you all happy? Yes. Had your breakfast? Okay, in last class, what we have seen? Are you all remember that? It's so enthusiastic story, right? It is about Jaswant. Are you all interested to hear the story? Yes, it is so inspirational, right? Like army man, soldier, right? Okay, the title of the story, The Legend of Jaswant Kar. The Legend of Jaswant Kar. Let me recall. Jaswant Singh Rawat was an Indian soldier. The place Jaswankar in Arunachal Pradesh gets its name for him. The legendary story, the Battle of Nauranang, handed down through the ages of Nauranang, is inspiring and records the valor and patriotism of Jaswant. Yes. There was a war between There was a war between India and China in the year 1962. 1962. In the final part of the war, Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army against the Chinese army. The battle started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. At 5 a.m. in the eastern Himalayas, the Chinese army attacked the lonely Indian post in Nauranang. Knowing that the Chinese army was stronger, the Indian soldiers and the post were ordered to retreat and regroup. But Jaswant did not leave his post and decided to continue the fight to hold the Chinese until the reinforcements arrived. The village girls named Sheila and Noora helped Jaswant. They set up weapons at separate points. Jaswant taught the girls to handle fire guns. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army. Jaswant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. Jaswant was Jaswant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. His intention was to give the Chinese army a perception that they are facing a huge Indian battalion. He did this for three continuous days. Jaswant and the girls had killed 300 Chinese soldiers. 300 Chinese soldiers. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. And then the Chinese soldiers caught the man. Today we are continue here. The Chinese soldiers caught the man who brought food for the three. In the Chinese interrogation. In the Chinese interrogation, the man told the truth that a single soldier was guarding the post. A single soldier and two girls from a local tribe. A local tribe had fooled the Chinese. They were shocked and furious. They surrounded Jaswant Singh and launched the final attack. They surrounded Jaswant Singh and launched the final attack. Then Jaswant shot himself as Chinese were going to capture him. A grenade blast killed Sila. Noora, the tribal girl, was captured alive. After the war, the commander of the Chinese army returned the brass bust of Jaswant. A war memorial with the brass bust with made to remember him and his service to the nation. All army personnel who pass through this memorial pay their respect to him. The Indian army still treats him as a serving officer and awards him promotions. India awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. Jaswant may have died in battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jaswantkar and the Indian army. Yes. Are you all understood? Here, the two village girl was helped to Jaswant Singh, right? The three members had killed the 300 Chinese soldiers. Laterly, Chinese army found the Jaswant and two girls. That time they were so much shocked because one army man with the two girls to kill the 300 soldiers. Then finally the Chinese army found the Jaswant Singh and the two girls. Finally the Chinese army killed the Jaswant, right? Jaswant may have died battle that day, then still lives in the memory of people, right? He was died, but his memory is still now there. So where Jaswant Kar and the Indian army again and again they remember the Jaswant. Okay, are you all understood? See the brass bust of Jaswant. Here the status of, like that, brass bust. Then glossary means meaning, right? Legend means a story from the past. Valor means great courage in battle. Regroup means to organize in a new tactical formation. Reinforcement means additional army to support. Tribe means group of people with common habits and culture. Battalion means a military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. Interrogation, to question someone aggressively. Interrogation means to question someone aggressively. Brass bust, a statue made of brass depicting a person's head and neck. Here, you already see that, right? The brass bust means a statue made of brass depicting a person head and neck. Right, that is called brass bust. Yes, students. Next, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First one, all of you take your note and pen. You have to write. What I am saying, you have to write. Okay. Answer the following questions. Where is Jaswant located? Where is Jaswant located? Jaswant is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Jaswant located is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. You have to write it in your note. Okay. And second question is, which place was the last stand of the Indian army? Nauranang was the, right, Nauranang. Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army. Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army. And third question is, when did the Battle of Nauranang start? How long did it continue? The battle started on 17th November. The battle started on 17th November and November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. 17th November in 1962 and continued for 72 hours and continued for 72 hours. Next, fourth question. Who helped Jaswant in the battle against Chinese? Two village girls named Sheila and Noora helped, right? Sheila and Noora. Two village girls. Here, fourth question. Two village girls named Sheila and Noora helped Jaswant, right? Helped Jaswant. This is the fourth question. And fifth question, what happened to the two girls at the end of the war? What happened to the two girls at the end of the war? A grenade blast killed Sheila and Noora was captured alive. What happened to the two girls at the end of the war? A grenade blast killed Sheila and Noora was captured alive. Fifth question answer. A grenade blast killed Sheila and Noora was captured alive. Yes, this is the fifth question answer. You have to write it in your note. Okay. And sixth question, how was he honored by the Indian government? Indian government awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. The Indian government awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. Mahavir Chakra. This is the sixth question. How was he honored by the Indian government? The Indian government awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. You have to write the answer. What I am saying, you have to write. Okay. Where is Jaswankar located? Jaswankar located. The answer is Jaswankar located is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this is the first question answer. And second one is, which place was the last stand of the Indian army? Nauranang. Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army. Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army. And when did the Battle of Nauranang start? When did the Battle of Nauranang start? The battle started on 17th November 1962. 1962. How long did it continue? How long did it continue? 72 hours. 72 hours. And continued for 72 hours. Continued for 72 hours. And fourth question, who helped Jaswant in the battle against Chinese? Two village girls, right? Where two village girls named Seela and Noora helped Jaswant. Two village girls named Seela and Noora helped Jaswant. Fifth question, what happened to the two girls at the end of the war? Here, a grenade blast killed Sheila and Noora was captured alive. And sixth question, how was he honored by the Indian government? The Indian government awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. The Indian government awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. Mahavir Mahavir Chakra. And fill in the blanks. First question is, Jaswankar is named after the Indian soldier. The answer is Jaswant Singh Rawat. Right? Jaswant, Jaswant, Jaswant Singh, Singh, Singh Rawat, Rawat. And the Chinese troops attacked the lonely Indian post located in Nauranang. Yes. Nauranang. Nauranang. Jaswant was helped by dash tribal girls. Village tribal. Helped by village tribal girls. Village tribal girls. And fourth question is, Jaswant managed to kill dash Chinese soldiers. Managed to kill 300, right? 300 Chinese soldiers. And then Jaswant Singh Rawat was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. Awarded the Mahavir, V-I-R, Mahavir Chakra, C-H-A-K-R-A, Chakra. And say true or false. First, Nauranang is in Himachal Pradesh. No, it is false statement. So, false. And second one is the Battle of the Nauranang lasted for 3 days. The Battle of the Nauranang lasted for 3 days. Yes, it is true. T-R-U-E, true. And third question is, Jaswant decided to stay in his post. Yes, he decided to stay in his post, right? So, this is true. And Jaswant was captured alive. Jaswant was captured alive. No, he's dead, right? So, it is false. And fifth one is, according to the Indian Army, Jaswant is still serving. Yes, it is also true. Then, rearrange the story in order. Rearrange the story in order. Just let me read. Jaswant stayed back in his post. He killed 300 Chinese soldiers in the battle. He fired weapons from separate points. Sheila and Noora helped him in the battle. Jaswant shot himself to death. Chinese soldiers caught the man who supplied food. He was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. Yes. Here, first sentence is the coming first. Jaswant stayed back in his post. Yes. And then second sentence is Sheila and Noora helped him the battle. This is the second sentence. And third one is he fed weapons. He fired weapons from separate points. He fired weapons from separate points. This is the third sentence. And he killed 300 Chinese soldiers in the battle. It is the fourth sentence. And fifth sentence is Chinese soldiers caught the man who supplied food. This is the fifth sentence. This is 3. Okay. Then sixth sentence. Which one is 6? Jaswant shot himself to death. Jaswant shot himself to death. Right. This is the sixth one. And the finally last, he was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. This is the seventh. The correct order. Let me read. You have to listen. Okay, students. Jaswant stayed back in his post. And second one is Sheila and Noora helped him the battle. And he fired weapons from separate points. He killed 300 Chinese soldiers in the battle. Chinese soldiers caught the man who supplied food. Jaswant shot himself to death and he was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. Then, okay students, let me continue the class in next day. Okay, you have to keep safe at your home and you have to read the passage and book back question and answer. You have to write it the question and answer in your note. Okay, and you have to memorize the 2 marks 1 marks and then you have to read the passage. Okay students, those who are not paid your fees, kindly you have to pay your fees and bring your book. Okay, thank you students. Keep safe at your home.